Alankar people. Can you just brief us about exactly what was discussed?
Yes. So the main issue with Alankar, the food outlets around the theatre, is twofold. Firstly, regarding the hygiene, the measures adopted.
Little bit louder.
Yes. In cooking, the FDA is of course concerned that they should abide by the rules, yes, which include no prepping of raw food, including chicken, the meats, the vegetables. Secondly, the discharge into the gutters of, wastewater. Including also rodent infestation, which is a problem that has to be tackled. Now, what we have decided is that we will be taking up on a war footing a project where we will convert this entire area into an area that will rival places that you have seen in other countries where there are food courts in the open. Okay, there will be stalls given to them. These will be uniform stalls with stainless steel counters. We will set them up on a raised platform. We are planning to concretize the entire base so that there is no further problem of rodent infestation. In terms of cooking as well, they have been strictly told that they will not be allowed to, for example, get raw chicken, chop it up over there, because those lead to health concerns, which we cannot ignore. Our intention is to make this entire area a place which is family friendly, where everyone, including you and me, our families, people of all walks of life can go there and can enjoy hygienic food. Right? It cannot be a street food outlet of the olden days. There were the olden days where people used to cook, serve, dump the garbage there. Garbage is another major concern. Wherever the topic of garbage comes up, again, Mapusa is one of the towns which has to now proactively come forward and deal with this garbage menace. It will be taken up by the council. We will lead it, but we require the help and cooperation of each and every resident of Mapusa for this initiative. We are presently in talks to come forth with a holistic approach to tackle this garbage problem. Wherever there are complaints here and there regarding door-to-door collection of garbage, regarding segregation not being done, regarding lots of black spots all over, including the outskirts of the city, there are allegations that people not residing in council limits are coming along during their way to work and dumping garbage. We are planning to tackle all of that by adopting multi-pronged approach, yes. And for that, we request you for a little bit of time. We are currently in the process of finalizing a project proposal which will handle all of these issues, and we are really hoping that this will change the face of Mapusa very soon, in the course of a few months. Thank you.
Madam, when we are speaking about Alankar, when this first topic, is any timeline set? Because considering now there is monsoon also coming.
Yes.
So there is any timeline with this project?
At present, there is no timeline because we are finalizing on the project proposal that is before us. We need to set up the file. Okay, we need to move it forward, but we are planning to do it in the course of the next few months as well. Okay, the earlier the better. There were a few concerns of some of the owners of these stalls that it will affect their business, but I would like to reassure them that in terms of setting up the new stalls, we are planning to do it in a manner that they will be fabricated elsewhere, and then they will come and they will assemble it. So it will not take a long time. I would like to take care of their concerns by assuring them that they will not be out of business for a very long time. The only work that would of course take a little time is the initial concretization of the entire bottom and laying of the platform. Apart from that, we will endeavour our best to ensure that they are back in business in clean premises without any issues. All aspects of garbage, of handling of their food, everything has to be covered. We need their cooperation to ensure that they have the available licenses as well, which they have assured us that they have it, and all those who are in the process of getting additional compliances, they will comply with the same and submit the same to the FDA. We are very hopeful that this can proceed in a very positive manner, both for the council as well as for those stakeholders.
Madam, what is their view on when this project was discussed? What is their view on this project? The vendors.
The vendors, the stall owners and the vendors are very, very positive. They have said that they are looking forward to this change. They have also agreed that once the entire area is cleaned, they will get more footfalls, they will get more business, there will be better people coming in. And so yes, I think it is a win-win for everyone concerned.
There is any like for how long they will have to keep their shops shut?
At the present time, I cannot give you any timeline. Yes, but eventually, once we get down to the details of how we are going to work this out, then definitely I will be in a position to get back to you.
Ma'am, around Mapusa, many places that is mud are remaining on gutter site.
Yes.
Not yet removed.
Yes.
Any idea about that too?
Yes, we are in the
monsoon
process.
also coming.
Yes, we are in the process of clearing all of that up. I just had a review meeting with our ME1 in the morning before the public started coming in, and he has assured me that they will ensure that all the pre-monsoon works are carried out without delay, so as to ensure that there is no problem to anyone. Yes.
Yeah.
Madam, the other garbage related topic, there are other locations where garbages are dumped, the black spots, which
Yes.
are presently garbages there.
Right.
Is any cleaning plan of that?
Yes. So that is absolutely also what was discussed today. That is one of the main areas that we need to focus on, and we are on it. I have just taken charge a few days ago, and it is my wish, as an officer who has been entrusted with this kind of a position, to ensure that I utilize this to make some kind of a difference to Mapusa. And I am getting very good cooperation from all my fellow officers, the staff, and I'm sure that we will be able to do something jointly. Yes, we are going to work towards eradicating the black spots that are around. One of the ways in which we will be doing this is we are planning to set up deposit centers for garbage, so that even people who are working the entire day, some people work nights, so there are different timings at which they would like their garbage to be dropped off. So we'll set up drop-off points. We are planning to keep these manned as well, so that people don't just ride the bike and then throw it and it falls on the roadside. All of that has to be stopped. I also earnestly appeal to every single person to make sure that whatever you do, think of this land as an extension of your home. If you would not dirty your home, please ensure that you utilize bins, you utilize these drop-off points once they are set up. And let us all endeavor to keep this place clean and green for our future and for our children's future. Yes.
Thank you. आज खास तुमची बैठक झाली एक्झॅक्ट कितें आसलें ते मिटींग
मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इशू जो आसा तो गार्बेजीचो जावन आसा आमकां एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर तेंचो टायम टेबल अजूनय सेट जावना बट फ्रायडे कन्फर्मेशन गावला की फ्रायडे कंपल्सरी येतली म्हणून ती आनी बाकीचे विकान खंयचे 2 दीस खंय तरी एडजस्ट करून ती पावतली हांगा मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इशू आसा तो गार्बेजीचो इशू म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आसा की ती एक पंचायत डिपार्टमेंटान काम केलेलें आसा आनी पंचायत डिपार्टमेंटान प्रत्येक वेगळे वेगळे पंचायती भितर काम करून जायते इशू सॉल्व जाल्लेले आसा मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली दाबोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एंड दाबोली पंचायत सो युजींग दॅट एक्सपिरियन्स I feel that she will have a constructive plan towards holistically solving the garbage problem of Mapusa city.
आज FDA वांगडा तुमची मिटींग एक्झॅक्ट कितें आसलें नेमकें कारण
FDAचो जो इशू आसा पळय आमी त्या दिसा कोणें आमकां विचारलें रिगार्डींग FDA मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इशू जो FDAचो आसा तो अलंकार स्पेस सो होलिस्टीक रिडेव्हलपमेंट एंड फेस लिफ्टिंग ऑफ अलंकार स्क्वेअर जो इटरीज जावन आसा एक हायजिनीक एक स्टँडर्ड फॅसिलिटी एक सुविधा दिवपाक थंय वॉशरूम टॉयलेट हँड वॉश सगळे अरेंजमेंट करपा खातीर ऑलरेडी एक प्रपोजल आयलेलो आसा. वी हॅव टेकन ऑन बोर्ड FDA एज वेल एज म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील एज वेल एज जे स्टेक होल्डर्स आसा तेंचे रेस्टॉरंट्स थंय आसा तेंचे जायते इश्यूज आसा विथ FDA. कशें स्ट्रीमलायन करपाचें कशें रिजॉल्व करपाचें आनी ते जाता तितले बेगीन म्हाका दिसता ऑक्टोबरा पयलीं वी वील हॅव कम्प्लिटली न्यू अलंकार फूड कोर्ट जे आमी सपनां पळयल्लें ते जायते जाणां उलयल्ले खूब वयर सकयल डिस्कशन जाल्लें खंय तरी म्हाका हें दिसता हें जावंक शकता
म्हणजे नवीन तांकां बांदून दितले
एक नवीन फेसिलिटी जातली. अजुनूय टायम लायन जे मेरेन ड्रॉईंग येवचें ना ते मेरेन एक्झिक्युशन जावचें ना. So this will be a completely new concept where we will see a completely facelifted Alankar, which will be more family friendly, look friendly. बरे भशेन अरेंजमेंट्स, बसपाचे अरेंजमेंट्स, खावपाचे अरेंजमेंट्स, पार्सलाचे अरेंजमेंट्स, everything will be covered and we will have one of the most cleanest facility in म्हापसा. हे लोकांक खबर आसा की म्हापशा भितर दिस इज वन ऑफ द प्रायम स्पॉट्स पूण खूब लोक थंय येना बिकॉज ऑफ तुमकांय खबर आसा आनी खूब इश्यूज जे हायजिना बद्दल थंय जालेले आसा. सो FDA इज ट्रायंग टू मेक शुअर दॅट वी क्लीन दीस प्लेस अप. एक बरी फेसिलिटी लोकां खातीर दिवचें म्हणून आमी वी आर ऑल वर्किंग ऑन द सेम प्रिंसिपल ऑन द सेम गोल ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ फूड infrastructure where we have one of the best facilities for food availability at later hours of the evening.
सध्या रेटी मारून जे बंद आसा ते सध्या तशेंच बंद आसतले काय
तेंचे कितें कंप्लायन्स जे आसा पळय FDA कडेन ते जर कंप्लायन्स केले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ते मोस्टली ते इश्यू आसलो की ते जेवण खंय रांदता पळय प्रेपरेशन खंय करता ते सगळे एके कडेन हाडटा आनी मागीर गरम करून ते तयार करता. पूण प्रेपरेशन खंय जाता प्रेप किचन जे आसता जे चिकनाचे कटींग जाता ते मसाला लायता ते मॅरिनेशन करता ते फेसिलिटी खंय आसा वेदर दॅट मीट्स FDA स्टँडर्ड्स ऑर नॉट दॅट इज द प्रश्न तो आसा. सो तेंच्यांनी सांगला की आमी कंप्लाय करता. म्हाका दिसता मंडे ट्युजडे भितर FDAन सांगला मंडे ट्युजडे इन्स्पेक्शन करतले बिफोर दॅट दे कॅन स्टार्ट. जर सगळें आसा जाल्यार देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम.
थँक्यू.